has, made it clear that he doesn't particularly care whether Putin and the intelligence services attack American institutions. So, that's some water.